How to fix if Apple Magic Mouse not working and not connecting. If you are thinking why is my Magic Mouse not working in Mac? Then here is the best solution, so keep watching this video. Here are some common culprits that may be causing your Apple mouse not working on MacBook. Please first fix these common culprits. Connection problems. The mouse may have trouble connecting to your Mac via Bluetooth or other wireless methods. Check power and battery related problems. The mouse may not turn on or exhibit irregular behavior due to low battery levels or power related issues. Check driver or software conflicts. Outdated or incompatible drivers or conflicting software can interfere with the mouse's functionality. The main reason behind Magic Mouse not connecting to macOS is connection issue, so follow these steps. After following these steps, your mouse will 100% work. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on your Mac by going to System Settings, Bluetooth. See if the toggle is on. Then try to turn off your Magic Mouse. The green color is invisible by using the slide switch on the bottom. Restart your Mac by clicking the Apple menu in the upper left corner and selecting Restart. Once your Mac has restarted, turn on your Magic Mouse by using the slide switch on the bottom again. The green color is visible. Go back to System Settings, Bluetooth, and find your Magic Mouse in the list of devices. Click the Connect button next to your Magic Mouse to pair it.